Starting a YouTube channel in 2026 can be life-changing, especially if you're a woman who's over 50. You feel like you're lost, you're stuck, and you're afraid of the future. My name is Lisa. This is my channel. I am my beloveds, and welcome to my front porch, my friends. Today, we are going to talk about a future in YouTube. Why you should start a YouTube channel if you are in your 50s. Thanks everybody for joining me on my front porch. I want to tell you a little bit about how YouTube changed my life. In 2025, I decided that I was going to start my YouTube channel again. I was going to get back in the race, and I was going to purposefully work on my channel, not just randomly, but really work on my channel, learn everything that I could learn, and put my best foot forward. And let me tell you, it made a difference. It really was life-changing for me. I found out that I do have a voice, and I have something to talk about. So I was able to share that, build a legacy for my grandchildren and my daughters. When I'm no longer in this world, they're able to go back to YouTube and see Grandma. Make an impact in other women's lives, especially women that are over 50. They're struggling, heartbreak. Boy, I've lived through my heartbreak. I could write a book on mine, and I know that many of you could write books about yours as well. A story to tell that can change people's lives. How would that make you feel? Well, I tell you how it made me feel. Made me feel like there was purpose. There was purpose behind the tragedy and the heartbreak. A reason that maybe I went through all that I went through so that I could help others. I could help other young ladies learn from my mistakes, and I could help others that are in my age group and many older how to not give up. There is hope, how to move forward, how to heal. Changed my life. So many of you who have responded to my videos warmed my heart. I can make a difference. Other ways that YouTube has changed my life, made a difference financially for me, a lot. Yes, I've had to struggle with keeping my channel going and moving and fighting, because I have ended up with some challenges along the way in 2025. But you know what, friends? Challenges are only opportunities to learn new things. So if you are in your 50s and older, maybe you haven't quite figured out what your purpose is. I challenge you to tell your story. Your story could be a story that can change someone else's life, bringing purpose into your life, making you feel better, giving you a reason to get up in the morning. I know so many of us, we have been through so much tragedy and trauma that sometimes we just don't feel like we want to get out of the bed. But when you can connect in to your purpose, gives you a reason to get out of bed. We all need purpose, my friends. We all need hope. If you're in your 50s and you're looking, you're thinking about, I've got maybe 5 years, maybe 10 years to retirement. What am I going to do about retirement? Many of you have no idea that you're sitting on a gold mine because your life matters, your story matters. Share your stories. You could find out that YouTube could actually bring in an extra $1,000 a month. Would having an extra $1,000 a month, would that make a difference to you in your lifestyle? Especially if you're looking at retiring. I know it definitely has made a difference in mine. My first month in YouTube, what I actually earned my first month after being monetized, I was paid $6,300 and some odd dollars. I got monetized April 15th, and I received my first paycheck from YouTube around June 21st, 22nd, 23rd, somewhere around there. I opened up my bank account, looked at my deposits, and I was completely speechless. YouTube paid me $6,300 and some odd cents. I couldn't believe it. That didn't stop then. The next month, in July, $1,200 and something. The next month, more money, more money. By the time my channel was hacked in September, when I got paid, and I didn't even realize I was going to get paid, my channel was taken down, but I did get a payment in October, only $100, and that was $100 that I had made from one day being on YouTube in the month of September. So in the 3 months that I was actually monetized and working on my channel, I made over $9,000. Would that make a difference for you? It did me. My husband injured his knees. He's not been able to work a lot this past year, and he's going into having knee surgery in 2026. Let me tell you, I put that money aside. It's been my little nest egg. So there are so many reasons. Yes, there's a lot of things I don't know about YouTube. But don't let the things you don't know stop you. I turned on my camera and I told my story. You showed up. I didn't even know how to edit. And friends, if you watch me very long and have watched me and followed me, you know I still don't know how to edit. Because you know what? I like my channel to be raw and real. I sit on my front porch. We're front porch friends. We talk about life. We talk about narcissistic relationships. We talk about how to heal, how to move forward. We talk about how to be prepared if you're a young wife to make sure that you don't end up without life insurance and the things that you don't know if something happens to your spouse and you're left with your children, how to survive. That happened to me. That was my first video that actually went viral. So there are so many reasons. If you, in 2026, if you're thinking about starting a channel, I challenge you. I challenge you to do that. I challenge you to hit record. Don't worry about the fact that people are going to judge you, because they're always going to judge you. Don't worry about what you don't know. but just hit record and start moving forward. You will learn this as you go forward, and it can be life-changing. The friends that I have met and connected with, many of them I lost when my channel was taken down. I still haven't been able to reconnect with you since I started my new channel, but I'm hoping that you will find me again. I miss you, and I'm so glad that my previous viewers have found me again and we're connecting, but I literally have made just wonderful relationships with wonderful ladies that are all across this country. It's exciting. Don't let the fear hold you back, the fear of what you don't know. How do you eat an elephant? You take one bite at a time. Ladies, start, I almost said, ladies, start your engine. I am an Indiana girl who transplanted to Florida, so I'm used to watching the Indy 500. So, gentlemen, start your engine. So I kind of hear that. You know, it's the beginning of 2026, and we have a whole year ahead of us to move forward, to make plans. So I'm encouraging you to hit record. Start your engines, ladies. Get motivated. Plan out your first couple of videos and start recording. You're not going to know what your niche is in the beginning unless you're smarter than me. I started with the tiny house, navigated from the tiny house to talking and preparing people for the future, and how telling my story and helping them grow, helping them learn from my mistakes. So we all have these stories to share, ladies. You will be surprised what can happen and how YouTube can change your life. If you've not subscribed, I do invite you to subscribe to my channel. I am here weekly, sometimes multiple times a week. I am rebranding and growing my channel because my channel lost 24,500 subscribers, but I'm building and I'm rebranding again, and I'm moving forward because I'm not going to let this stop me. I have found my purpose, and I'm enjoying it. I'm loving it. I'm moving forward. Ladies, if you have a question for me, my email is inside my videos. Please reach out to me. Leave me a message. I'd be happy to connect with you. God bless you, and I encourage you to move forward with hope and healing and faith in 2026.